In the field of extra high voltage power, the quality of accessories is related to the stable operation of the entire power grid. Traditional grinding methods are difficult to meet the growing demand for high precision. And today, robotic grinding technology is making a strong debut, bringing a revolutionary breakthrough to the industry. Here is the pictures before grinding. Our robotic grinding system has advanced intelligent algorithms and high-precision sensors. When sending extra high-voltage power parts, it can accurately control the strength and angle to ensure that the surface of each part is smooth and even, and the error is controlled within a very small range. Compared with manual grinding, the efficiency is increased several times, greatly shortening the production cycle and reducing production costs. Its stable and reliable performance is a highlight. The robot can work 24 hours a day without being affected by fatigue, emotions and other factors, and always maintain a consistent level of high-quality sanding. This not only guarantees the stability of product quality, but also reduces the rate of defective products, saving a lot of resources for the enterprise. Here is the picture after grinding. Choosing robots to polish extra high voltage power parts is to choose a more efficient, more accurate and more reliable production method.